Like any other living thing, a cell has a life cycle. Cell life cycles consist of several phases: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Cells replicate themselves through a process called mitosis. Mitosis occurs during prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. This is also known as PMAT. During mitosis, DNA replicates, and the nucleus divides to form two daughter cells. But before mitosis takes place, the cell must first complete interphase. Interphase occurs when the cell prepares to divide by producing organelles such as mitochondria and ribosomes. Three stages occur within interphase. G1 is when the cell maintains normal function, but starts replicating centrioles, organelles, and starts protein synthesis. The next stage is known as S phase, and this is when the DNA replication begins, along with the synthesis of nuclear proteins. G2 is the last stage of interphase, which marks the end of DNA and centriole replication. Prophase is the start of mitosis. During early prophase, DNA begins to coil itself into chromosomes and becomes visible. The nucleolus, however, disappears. The centrioles begin to position itself to the opposite ends of the cell. Astral arrays radiate towards the cytoplasm, and spindle fibers form between the two centrioles. During late prophase, each chromatid connects to each other by a centromere and resembles what is known as a chromosome. A protein around a centromere, called kinetochore, connects the two spindle fibers to form the chromosomal microtubules. Metaphase is the second step of mitosis. During this phase, chromatids move and align to the metaphase plate, which is the narrow central zone between the two spindle fibers. Once the chromatids align, metaphase has been completed. Anaphase takes place when centromeres split and chromatids are pulled apart towards the opposite ends. The last phase of the cell cycle and mitosis is telophase. The cell membrane prepares to divide and form a cleavage furrow. Within the cell, a nucleus membrane reforms for each daughter cell, and chromosomes uncoil. Cytokinesis takes place, which is when the cytoplasm divides to form the two daughter cells. This marks the end of the mitosis. The daughter cells begin their own cell cycle, but before starting the interphase process, there is a small phase called G0. During this phase, the cell only performs normal function until interphase begins to prepare for mitosis.
Created using Powtoon.